or government way bad because of opposition level, because of Babele, make we not forget say anything we they do, they endanger our lives for this country. So anything we concern terrorists, we they want make it come up for this country, pata pata. And make una go Vanguard newspaper for page 5. Una go see federal government, northern leaders, lawyers differ on amnesty for terrorism. Then make we carry waka enter politics matter for Osun State. We see and say tenure dispute Idele APC trade wars. Una know say katakata don dey there since. I not forget say as at yesterday, Idele don begin beg federal government make it release their local government funds. Because it be like say hunger don't be the rich and they don't begin negotiate. And the begging yesterday, all of us watch and say they beg. He said that their entitlement make it release them today. And I know say Tinubu na person wey dey hear word, and a person wey dey listen to, and a person wey love democracy, and a person wey fight for democracy, and a person wey fight against military to make sure say this present democracy is stand. And make we carry waka enter foreign matter wey be say obodo matter. And we don't see and I say President Tinubu appear yesterday for TKR. Down at the partner country where they for Turkey, and they do some parade for him, some beautiful parade for him, and in there for the parade, they work out for the parade, and everything will go well. And we will come begin to hear some nothing will not happen for waiting PC president to tell. And I remember one time we said that they swear in the past government where he finished before government. So I see where we say inspector of police stand. In not 30 minutes he go ground with it because the weather he hit and well. So anything if happen to anybody, and not the one we say some people they take out 2%. And they always say for this country, anything where they negative, now people they carry for shoulder. Anything where they positive, that they avoid them. And they always talk and say anybody when you see better thing, he use bad there look am. So bad things now go they follow that person. So more carry waka enter the main studio for the Obonga person when he day here. My name still remain the articulate patriot, where all of una know say use shoulder and head take day for this TMCTV radio podcast. And we get Honorable Pius Idele Alile. This one a person we all of us know we don't fair day power, we don't day power to date. And the Deputy Chief of Staff to Office of the Deputy Governor. And they say now who song and dance right for now they give opportunity to make it dance, and he reach it turn they make bring a Congo man say make it come put the words of wisdom, make it come add in own level, join the office of government, not the office of the Deputy Governor alone, office of Edo State government. And the short time we don't do there, so everybody does see the impact with so many things don't change. Honorable Dele, we welcome you this morning.
Thank you, my brother.
And God will bless you. How you take past traffic? Because I know say your government they walk, not be small. And everywhere.
Yes.
For that your area where they pass they come, everywhere block. And you still make this journey.
Oh, yes.
And I delay you because we're supposed to start 10 o'clock.
Yes.
We're going to start exactly 9 after 10.
Very
No shaking. Now development, now wait till good for us because at the year say, when I saw now I enter the road project so that if rain come, no yawa,
yes,
everything will cool for the state. We say make you introduce yourself more than waiting we don't introduce you.
Well, my name now Honorable Pius Alile. That me be the Deputy Chief of Staff to Edo State Government. I want to thank you, my brother, for inviting me to come talk to our people this morning. And I'm also happy say I don't they see what the government of Okpewole they do for Benin and for Edo State as a whole. What we never see before, now we they see now the kind of development when we never see for this Edo State. Now we they see now. The flyover where they do, we never see it before. We never see it before for Benin. They do one for Sapler Road. They do one for Ramat Park. And you see, until they finish and now we will know the value of what this governor don't do for us. Because the economic activities, when go they take place for that place, it go open up. It go even open up the entire city to activities, to economic activities. Traders, because the road will come good. Everywhere go open. And development. There is no city for this Nigeria when be better city when not get flyover. If you look at the rich cities, River State, Abuja, Lagos, they all have flyovers. So if you want to develop city, that is what you do. And that is what the governor is doing. Roads, you can see governor when they hurry. It be like a person when body they want to do something, he want walk. Now workaholic. So now governor when want deliver, when make you and him, when they see what they do. And now they do the roads from here to Edo Central now. One go Romi. When they take about 6 hours before, but less than 2 hours now, don't reach there because the roads are good. He did the roads. All those where they talk before say federal road bear with us. It don't be like that again. No. Government, Edo State government, now they do federal road now because they know say that they collaborate with the federal government. They also know say federal government go return the money. They also know say federal government they do well for the state with the increase in allocation when the state don't they get. So they work together, and we are the state is we are being blessed every day. Now, in terms of employment, this government over the last 1 year don't employ over 8,000 people. Employ over 5,000 teachers. I think when they there when they give the letters, over 5,000 healthcare workers. Employed so many healthcare facilitators, healthcare nurses, doctors, consultants, employed thousands for the state. Casual workers, when local government don't employ a lot. You also see workers who say they be casual before. The government employ them and put them integrate them into the state civil service. When we came on board, we see a lot of workers, maybe casual workers. You know, the government employ them and put them into the civil service, particularly cleaners. When we meet for government house, when they clean, we employ all of them into government service. So the state governor have done so much, and schools, over 70 schools have been renovated across the state. So when they say Edo best, which one can be Edo best now when schools you not renovate them, teachers you not employ? I don't understand. But if you look at what we have done, what the Pueblo government have done, you will discover that it don't change everything. It don't touch every critical sector of the economy. Everywhere. Transportation. It don't change Edo line. You are talking about transportation. You are talking about roads. Talking about schools. It don't change. Go Edo line. Edo line don't turn to where don't. He buy new vehicles. And he put better people there, make them the runners. Edo line has been digitalized. And you can see what is happening there today. We don't get 5 months. We don't see how they help our people across the country. So you see government when it's serious. Not be government of grammar. They see what they do. They see them. Not be waiting person go talk, say, I feel tell you, say, this one they go on. Go see them there. Not be waiting person go, they lie, put. So this our government, now government when God bring to bless our people. And I am happy as Deputy Chief of Staff to be part of this government. Because this government, me not they campaign for Pueblo. Some people will say too early. No, not too early. When a person they do good work, now let selfish politicians go talk say make Pueblo not come back. Then when you talk about public interest, say public interest, what the person they do when they see for eye, public good. That's what they call them. Public good, public interest. The people. If you politician when they think like that, you will not say this man deserve even more than 8 years to say that they do more than 8 years. But what he has done within 1 year. We don't see him for 8 years. I can say of it too, we don't see him for 8 years. Some people they ask now say where they see money till they do all these things. Where they see money till they do all these things. So money they like that. Even it was critics. They talk say, this, but they work, sha. You never see where they talk to. You go say, go talk, go here, talk, go here, go say, but they work, sha. But that is what we want to hear. Say it's working. It's working. In every area, it's working. That's what we want to hear. We don't want God. We know. Look, me not care about the government when they work. Now me care about. Because at the end of the day, government go, and don't remain. So it is not about whether APC or PDP. It is about good governance. So if government good, it do good road. The good road, all of us go enjoy now. Not be APC, not be PDP. Now everybody go enjoy now. If you do schools, now our children go to school. If you do good hospital, put doctors there, put nurses there, you not know the day when you go sick. You don't know this one when you don't know what the day when you go sick. Fall in. You reach hospital, you know see doctor. You reach hospital, they're not go see where I put you. You can be a victim of bad government. Anybody, can be a victim of bad government. If you see bad government, they clap for them. They hail them because you be charlatan. They hate bad government. One day, you'll be a victim of that bad things when that government do. Now make her say, you see, people like us, now 25 years I don't spend for abroad. If I see good thing, I dey talk am. No concern me. If I see better thing, because I don't see better thing for my life. You understand? I don't see good roads. When you dey see accident, now road way bad. When you dey see say your vehicle dey spoil, all the time they spoil, you dey do services. All the time they kind of go make now road way no good. When you dey see accident, when you hear say accident happen for one road, they go say na juju, some go say na mami water, some go say na this. Now the road way bad. You understand? So when things are good, it's good for all. It's good for everybody. Make we dey support good government. This government good for us. Make we support her. Make we pray for her. Because this government, it don't do wetin we never see for the past 8 years or 9 years when the other government dey. So, Okpewolo government, now government when we supposed to dey pray for. Because now government when mean well. Now government when mean well. You see, Okpewolo na man when come from a humble home. Sometimes he go talk, say, wetin kill his sister one time now, bad water. You can see wetin they push am. Something they push am to make it work. Something they push am. He see this as a privilege, as an opportunity to work for the people. He know the meaning of bad government. Because he don't suffer am. In relative, his sister don't suffer am. He know. Now something they push person to work. You understand what I mean? Right. Now something they push somebody to work. So if that thing, when they your belly, when they call an innate desire to work, that innate desire, now they push, and I make I know the rest. You understand? Our government know the rest. They work day and night to make sure, say, the people when they this state, they enjoy, they stay safe. Now, security. When this government, before this government come into power, we know what they happen for Benin. Cultism everywhere. Our brothers, they kill our brothers. You know how many youths don't die for this Benin? But if for this state, you know how many youths? Except you don't live in Benin. You live in Benin, it was weekly. They were killing themselves. Weekly. People were dying. Young men were dying. Some were slaughtered in front of their parents. What are you talking about? Some killed in front of their parents. Some of them we know because now Benin we did. It was, we both say rampant. It was common. Now this government, I stop her.
Make we match you for this place.
Now this government, I stop her.
More match you for this place because many questions they ground will be say you want to respond to. I want to ask you, who be the commissioner for transportation for Edo State?
Now Saturday Owelekwe. Honorable Saturday Owelekwe.
You know why they ask this question?
He's the commissioner for transportation.
Good. Now, Okpewolo, only the blind. I'm not in support of him politically.
Okay.
But when you see good thing, you should go talk am.
Now God will bless you.
Our studio not there to bring anybody where they do better down.
God
we know they do all
you.
those ones.
God will bless you.
Yeah. We they see the work Okpewolo they do. Just recently, where we begin to criticize the government before say they do major roads, you not think about the links road. They work for inside GRA now to make sure say rehabilitate everywhere.
Yes.
To decongest the side where they work for major roads,
Yes.
which is doing well.
Yes.
Now, the commissioner for transport, the way commercial vehicles, they constitute nuisance since the inception of this government.
Yes.
I believe by now, the commissioner for transport will get one blueprint to coordinate these drivers. Private vehicles, we know say some of them still they drive anyhow. But the commercial vehicles, the commissioner need to come out. Now my advice, not be saying now waiting I want to make you discuss about.
No problem.
Now, make we go back to Edo data boundary dispute matter where your office they handle. How far now don't go?
But say that in a federal matter.
Even from state?
No, now interstate.
Interstate.
Intra-state, within the state, they're easy to solve. Because now you understand, if now internal. But when it be interstate, now this federal boundary commission for when they resolve interstate land dispute, now they resolve them. You know me say we know they play our part. We play our part by presenting the facts before this commission. Say, data go still play their own part. You understand? It be like where two people they play ball. One person will be referee. That's how interstate matter be. So we did the matter. The thing be say when I interstate like that to resolve it, they slow.
Yes.
Because they do a lot of investigation. They don't want to make mistake. No commission wants cede the land of one state to another without proper investigation. So that they do their own matter. But I can tell you that our deputy governor, Right Honorable Dennis Idausa, has been working very hard. Very, very hard. Now, I don't see her for news. She has been working very hard because I be the chairman of that committee. Don't they work very hard to get results? And that is why they pull everybody, both the Delta State, both the National Boundary Commission, both the committee where they set up when they head. We don't hold several meetings. You understand? We don't hold several meetings for that committee. And we don't visit this boundary dispute area. We don't visit them many times. So we don't make a lot of progress. I can assure you that very soon we'll begin to get results. Because our deputy governor, Right Honorable Dennis Idausa, it not be matter when they take the play at all. He don't talk am. Say none of our land go another land, another state. Then none of the royalty when we supposed get, they go another state. He don't talk am. And he's very, very serious and committed. And he don't they receive backing seriously from our governor. He says distinguished Senator Monday Okpewolo, the executive governor of this state. So don't they get support from our way. And very soon we'll get results. So we'll get results.
Oh yeah, now before Kare Waka enter Punch newspaper, I go ask you this question. Just give straight answer to it. This one they political.
Okay.
And I want to concern a political party. And I know so you be politician.
Yes.
Yes, good. Now, when they do registration, is it e-registration or how it is?
No, now e-registration.
E-registration.
Yes, now e-registration. You go there with your NIN okay. and your voter's card. Is to that the purpose of that registration is to actually identify you, know who you are. Nobody will feel come and say, "Now be this." You understand? It's for proper documentation and proper identification. And we want to know our members. Who not go register now, not be our member. If you not go do this e-registration when they talk, so you not be APC. You must have, once you don't register, they will give you what they call temporary card. Because the original one they call. That temporary card, you can vote and be voted for as a member of APC. You can contest election and be voted for. And you can also vote for people because you now a member. So now very important exercise. Now they go on and it go end on Friday. So I want this Friday.
Okay.
So they feel no extend them. No sit down there say they go extend. They know it go extend. So I want advice. May you go carry your go your ward. People designated people when they do the registration. If you know if you go send your NIN, send your voter's card, they go do one for you. If you know if you go. So not to say because you travel. Because some people will say they're not there around. They travel. No. Even if you dey Lagos, you travel, you know where your ward dey. You know your political ward, where you play your own politics. You know where you hold your meeting. So you know your ward secretary. All the people when they assign, when they do the registration, you know them. Send them your details. They go enter around for you. And they go send you your temporary membership card. So the thing they go on now and they go finish on Friday. So I bet they want to take advantage. If you want to be a member of the party, if you want to vote and be voted for. So you need to take advantage and quickly go and do it. Otherwise, you are not a member of the party.
Oh yeah, now they give appointment to technocrats. And these technocrats, some of the majority of them they vote. How do I want to bring them, make the register for the party? Because most of them, according to the national chairman of the party the other day,
Yes.
that technocrats will not participate politically, not they get appointment again. So
me not hear that one.
okay, it trend where?
No, I not hear them say. I not hear them. I not hear that one. So me not.
So you not hear anything about technocrats?
No.
So you not be speak about them at all?
No. I not talk with you. No.
Okay, right about that. Make we carry Waka enter Punch newspaper this morning. Make we give out just one Ogbonge area. When it be say don't they bother everybody for the country, don't they bother everybody for this state since. Now light matter. When it be say they say national grid don't fall as at yesterday again. Make we look Disco. Disco blame low generation as grid collapse third time this year. This one they page 23. Make una go buy the newspaper. Make una go online, go find out IEB. Make una read them. It said Disco. This one concern everybody well. A situation whereby they do business and light not day. Na kata matter na IEB. Make una go punch. Una go get that one for today. Will be Wednesday. Una go see am inside there. Then Tinubu proposes 110 court of appeal justices, and you know say Tinubu matter for democracy matter. They do am, not be person where be say it dey rigid. Like sorry, make I refer to military era. There are more people who fight in those days. So say democracy must stand, and anything when he talk, when he date democratica, he always want put himself. And we there for punch since, and we'll go back to another newspaper, but not be now. Mostly go back to Honorable Idele Pius Alile. Welcome, my brother. You still there here, and you get so many things to put mouth today. And what we know you for? Now, one philanthropist level, who they call philanthropist, we they call a person who sabi do help to people. They accommodate people, and we don't hear and say you don't they propose another jollification we do for women for the state again. Before I ask, you be politician, you want contest election?
Well, the issue of what you call giving to people has nothing to do with politics.
Good.
I don't do one for almost 20 years now. I don't know whether politics stay.
Because my MCRO, you go play the past too.
And the reason be say, if hungry one beat person, he go beat you. Whether you be APC or PDP, hungry go beat you. We do borehole for many communities across Edo South. And those borehole now, people when want to go fetch water, they don't ask them whether they be APC or PDP. They don't ask. Nobody ask. You go there and fetch water. Because at the end of the day, it's not the need of the people be that. At the need of the people, now it matter. So all the things when they do, some people, if they want to spoil them, they will say that because they're politicians, they want to make people vote for them. You only say one spoil, they want to try to spoil the work when you do. But all those are not they matter to us because we don't do them since many years. And with the CI instead they help our people. And how our people take our people. And how our people take they pray for us. Now it matter to us. And we'll continue to do it because it help. We don't give scholarship, we don't give bursary to students, we don't give money to market women. We not they borrow. We they give them, we they dash them. Because we not be bank. Also, we don't do a lot of boreholes. We don't do a lot of empowerment. This Friday, we they give 100,000 to 77 people. This Friday, we they give 100,000 each. That is 7.7 million. To 77 people. And the reason why we want to do is say, if you go Benin, you'll see some women, when they go, they carry water on credit, 10,000 naira. Then they'll put them for head. They'll go sell them. They'll come return the 10,000. Then maybe they'll come make a gain of 1,000. Then they'll come back again, go carry for head. Now credit, pure water. Except you are not close to the grassroots. If you close to the grassroots, if you know what did happen for grassroots, not be person go tell you make you help. Now look at such woman, you give her 100,000. make it hard. May go they do that pure water business. You not just say go carry and go up small.
Yes.
Go carry and go up. So that is what we are doing. Now the poorest of the poor, now we they look for. People when they struggle, when they bottom of the ladder, that we want raise come up for poverty. Because poverty not good. And that is what we are doing this Friday. You understand? I've been doing it for years. It has nothing to do with politics. And I'll continue to do it. And they talk them every day saying, now in and out of political season. Are you following me?
Yes.
Now, another thing be say, if you see how they do it for...
Make I slow you small, sir.
Yes.
I beg, MCR, una want chop the rushes where they there? What kind of rubbish is this? I beg, continue.
So, if you, when you be politician, they touching our politics and they do it for, may you go do now. May you go do them. It's a very simple thing. You understand? Because if you do them, me do them, a lot of people they do them. You know, our people go happy now. It doesn't matter how it is done. Or the reason you are doing it, but you do it. If every politician they do them, problem for not day now. That is the point I'm making. It's what I want to do. If now something where be say you like them, you go do them. You understand what I'm saying? So now better thing, and now what I go they do. They show you see that one empowerment during COVID-19. We spend almost 25 million take buy food stuff, give people. We do it for Edo South, Central, and Edo North. This one we want to do on Saturday now across the state. Not be only Ego, because I came from Ego, they will say now only Ego. And they spread them across the state. I know they, if I want to do empowerment, I know they put them for my last year. I know you they show so last year, I be that. Now last year be that when I give keke na pair, not be keke na pair they call it. Keke na pair. 2 keke na pair now I give to people. One of them I give out to union. Keke give out to union because sometimes you see all this when they drive keke. Sometimes they don't see keke drive. They go there, they'll just go sit down there. That keke when I buy for them, they help them now. They help. They manage them until they help themselves. That's what the essence of buying that keke. You understand? We give sewing machine, as you can see. We also give motorcycle for people when they farm for inside bush. Now 9 motorcycle now I buy. All these ones are my money. Don't be government money. See, 9 motorcycle. Don't be government money. Now my money. No, I'll not be. You see, that we give them. That was last year. It's to empower our people. Many of the people when they don't know them, they can't do interview. Some, if you know one when they suffer, you will bring the name. That's all. That'll be through recommendation and through interview. You understand? Some people come approach me, say this person, now so he not get this, he not get this. Now so he lost his wife, now so he lost his husband, lost this. Now he only want to take care of 5 children. You know, this. You just look at, you know, say the situation they critical. You will put your name. That's why I take the short list. Recommendation and the short list through interview. Now those 2 means. Because I don't feel know everybody. At the end of the day, the people when they know, they reach 5% or 2%. When me they by myself, they put name. You understand? So we don't give a long time. This one a bursary. When we give bursary, you even make me they remind you. They remind me. This one at time when we give, I never they remember. So now when we give a student money, you understand? Give student money, 100,000. Make their take. I join their. I go Uniben that day. 2 students come, kneel down, they thank me. I don't know them. They say I give them money 2 years ago. So they were part of the beneficiaries. I don't know them. But I was happy. Because sometimes people come, they greet me. I know they know them. They say, I know they know people. Now you give us money. Now you give us this. Now you give us. It they make my heart. If I they drive now, they see people, they fetch the water. They boil when I put for community. They fetch and they line up the fetch. It they make my heart glad. They give me some sense of fulfillment. What call a sense of fulfillment. They give me sense of fulfillment. And that is why I did do them. I know they do them because of anything. Last year, election day last year. I not do them. Election day 2-3 years back. I not do them. And they do almost every year. That has nothing to do with it. But that does not mean I cannot exercise my right when it is time. So if I want to contest election, you know if it stop me. Because it is my fundamental right to exercise as a true citizen of this country. So me not see any issue with that one at all. You know, say when they do this kind of thing, now you go popular. And when you popular, people will begin fear you. Then they'll begin to say all manner of things. They find something where they'll drag you down. So now many people, they talk all those kind of things when they talk. Because at the end of the day, it is meeting the needs of our people. And it's giving me sense of fulfillment and sense of joy. Me don't first suffer. I know what it suffer be. So nobody go come deceive me, tell me, say, now so this. No, me know what it be suffer. Me now poor home they from born me. You know me now. We all grow up together now. So not be a guy matter. I not be a guy. I grew up from very poor parents and poor background. I grew up on that tremendous hardship. So I know what they talk. When people they tell me, say, nah, this. I know they listen. Because at the happy say, God, give me these little things when I feel share. Because at the end of the day, we know they carry anything go heaven. All of us go die. You understand? Everybody will die. If you like, carry wealth. They amass them. They build them. When you leave one house, you build another one. One day, the day when God will say, it don't reach. It don't reach with that. That is the end of it. So do what you can do to help a common man.
Oh yeah, people they always talk and say you they do this thing, they come all this while and all that, and the most of the particular information we did the public not pass say the people they come they empower now people they their party now people they know now people will be say even though when the man will say we are make we scout for people we will empower. Some more politicians go begin bring people away be say they don't forget before, and I hope this one will come up so it not go take place like that again or it not happen like that.
No, not they happen like that. You see, one thing about politicians, they know those that are poor. Good politicians know those in the community. A good politician knows, that is what they are saying. Good, like me, in my word, I know those that are in need. I know them. That is why you can't deceive me. So a good politician knows those that are poor in their various communities. And a good one want help. He may not even get to help. Not be every politician get money. He may not get to help, but he wants to help. So if you see politician when they scout for help for people, now better politician be that. Now, if you see opportunity when they Lagos, he go say, see one thing, he go carry your name, he go fight for you. That's a better politician. So it's not about, say, politician know his brother or he know his sister. No, that's not the issue. The people when politicians know when they help, they are members of the society. You understand? They are members of the society. So if they bring them and we invite them, we see the situation where they did, we go give them all. But because at the end of the day, they are human beings. It doesn't matter who recommended them. What matters is that they are in a condition and they need help. That's what matters. That's what matters. So those people, when they go collect form, still come, we go still choose from there. Not be all with the few choose. Because now the resources, when I get, this one and the little money when I get, now they use. As my power reach, I go see do it. Next year, I go still look those people when I not get before. For example, for my word, I know them well. First one I give last year, I know I'll give her this year. Because I know them. I tell you, say, no, your own want too much. You don't feel they get all the time. We do that so that it can go round. So that's what we have been doing.
The question we'll go ask you now. We'll take a wrap up today matter. You get people where they monitor these people and they empower, whether they use them judiciously according to you.
No, we not the monitor.
I just give them.
We give them. I know. We don't. They go do it. We not the
they take grow with them. I know they do it. But that one is supposed to be part of you again.
It not concern me.
Are they better so that will make you do more for other people?
No. They tell me. They tell me. Just as I tell you.
They get feedback.
Yes, they get feedback. I tell you. I give you an example just now. That some people just come. They greet me. That be the so they'll just come. They greet me. They'll say, "Let me give them money when they start this business." So they pray for me. Some won't give me the products when they sell. One give me inside, just for respect. So one say when they sell yam for the market, they won't give me yam and plantain, just for the respect. And that gives me joy more than setting up a committee to be monitoring people. I won't do that. I don't give them. May they go use them. Take better their lives. That I believe say that they use them for wetin go better their life because they needed it when they came to us. We interviewed them and we saw that they needed that help. And we have given them that help. Now, when you want to collect the money back, now you go set up a committee. I not be lapo now, with due respect. Now, when you want to collect the money back, say na debt, not be you will get people they send, to make sure they pay back. If you are not doing that, you are not expecting any return. And that is what is called philanthropy. You understand what I'm saying now? Philanthropy is a voluntary help to people. They don't force you. You understand? It's a voluntary help to people. Nobody is forcing you. And you can, I tell somebody last time, I said, I take 3 years to do one boy or one community. They don't come meet me say, Honorable Alile, this boy when you're there, you know, if you finish, you know, they don't say that my money. Now they suffer, they do one. When I can't eventually finish them, the other way ask me, say, why it can't take you time to finish? Because I don't get money. There was no money. I can't do one small. On this one, when I do one, the aging goes spoil because it's not too take for granted. You understand what I mean? You know, as boy they be now. I was still living until 2-3 years. I was not able to get money to finish it. So not that I have the money. That's the point. Because some people will think say because at the help I get money where the money that no. It's just that now waiting I want to do. Now waiting I want to do. Waiting in my mind. That's why when I get little money, I will remember people. When I get little money, I remember people. That's what we did. This 15, 16 boy when I say I don't do, it took me years to do it. Not be I just sit down one day, I don't do 15 boy. No. It took me 10 years to do those boils. Every year they do. 2 years later, I'll do again. You understand? I make the boil come full everywhere because I don't stop. But you can see that I can even do one a year. What I want to do. You understand? So now so the thing be.
Honorable Pius Alile, I beg, make you give small advice to our youth for the country and for the states. You give them at least a minute advice for our youth.
Make our youth, mona get faith for ourselves. You understand? Believe in yourself. If you get dream, pursue one. Not fear. Because fear, that they make person fail. One of the things, when they make person fail for life, not fear. Because fear, not journey. A terrible journey.
Yes.
So as a young man who want to succeed, don't fear to dream. Don't fear to aspire. Don't also fear to pursue your dream. Now, inconvenience yourself. Don't let everything be 100% before you start. Because 100% not there. If you get 10%, pursue on.
Yes.
Believe in yourself and believe in the God that you serve. Yes. Be prayerful all the time so that the mercy of God go flow and go be upon the work of your hand.
Good.
So that when you do small, God will bless her. So that is the advice. When I get for the, I beg, not look for shortcut. Shortcut not there anywhere.
Good.
Because shortcut they kill. One of the ways to pay, not to live long, that when you look for shortcut to make money, not take what not belong to you. Not take the money when not belong to you. Not do business when you collect the one when not be your own. So take your own inside and be satisfied, be happy. And continue to aspire, continue to dream, continue to have vision. But continue to be honest in what you are doing. If you do that, God will certainly help you.
Amen.
Because at the end of the day, now God will help all of us.
Amen. Thank you very much, Honorable Pius Alile. You don't tell us, say, not take shortcuts, not do mago, not take waiting, not belong to you. And this advice not just be youth alone, no, to extended some politicians. Don't put your hands for waiting, not go better the community where you did. Now advice, not just one direction. Honorable Idele Alile, Pius, he don't give advice to Edo people, Nigeria people, and don't make them understand, say, GBT, kata, is not good for our body. And before we leave this place today, I say, make I give you now the last paper, what they do for newspaper review for today, make you know waiting they happen. For Bodo Ibo, waiting concern Bola Tinubu, our president for the country. You know, I remember say in go Turkey will be partnership with Turkey. On that country where they now the first time when he travels to that country, say Turkey they exist. And he said for inside the nation, he said Nigeria, Turkey target $5 billion trade pact against insurgency. You see, and I say, Mr. President, he put body for this matter to make sure say anything when it concern insurgency for the country, he go make sure say not be say he want reduce them, he go eradicate them, he go bring her down, and they do your best to make things work. Move on, defection remain APC as truly national party, says Shetima. Make sure not forget say the Plateau governor, he don't carry waka. If I carry one leg at APC since he can't carry the two legs, can't stand grigba for inside the party. And in the year, he don't join their party, he don't join, he don't be their member, he don't come up for PDP. He say PDP, he don't tire, making go rub shoulder with the party where we say he will make and see front to do better thing for your own state. We still there for inside the Nation newspaper. World Bank gives condition for states to access loans. This one a loan matter. You understand me? This one a loan matter. Where it consign, where they come from World Bank area, where we say some state governors they fit access. And we can't get tax for tax matter. Tax banks can't debit account without owner's consent. They let una know people wey dey carry bad news concerning this tax matter. They let una know say for inside nation say for tax matter they must confirm from who get them. Without the person consent, they know they enter your account. Make them do anything we go rubbish their name. You understand me? So before we come out, we want to use this paper take round up the day. But you get one good question where I not ask. Honorable Pius Idele Alile, because that one day for inside body person where they do good, people know are where popular. Either they take and help the party, help in own conscience, because he say he come from a very poor background where he grow. I mean, I know at that time where we say when he dey go school, if he use one trouser go school all through the period of 1 year. When he go wear shirt, I know say to even sew cloth not be problem that time, but if he sew him, if he use the cloth for almost 2 weeks. Na person when I know well, na person way. In fact, if I say he suffer, I say the enemy suffer well when they grow, they come. And today, God bless her. And he said that suffer, people they run down. He not go let them still hungry the way hungry. He know the way he take grow, he take reach this level. And God does still bless her. And so he go they bless people where they run down. I know they promote her more better, and the good things when I see now they talk about. But I go ask her one question before I sign up from this program. I go ask her and say whether Oga. You contest? I ask you this question that time. Because you know, you enter.
Not true. Are they consult? Okay. Are they consult with our party leaders? Okay. You know, say we get governor. Me, they work for governor. And I just carry, they go say, I want to go contest. When I never talk to governor. And governor never approve her. You understand? And the leaders of the party, when you are in a system, you respect the system. You know they do things anyhow. So now the system now go decide whether may I go represent our people for Ego and Ikobawaka Federal Constituency.
Oh, that for House of Rep.
For House of Rep.
Okay.
Now they go decide. And let me tell you, me na party man. And they hide down. And I have respect for the governor. Anything when they talk now I go do.
Good.
And they tell people where they contest. If now me they choose. May you support me, may you not make noise. If now you they carry, I go support you. I'm not gonna make noise. More than not scatter the party. You understand? More than not scatter them. Because if you believe, say you want to go serve the people, why are you desperate? It's a question I keep asking. Say not be thief, you want to go thief for them. If you believe, say you want to go serve the poor, you want to go serve people, is there any need to be desperate? There is no need to be desperate at all. There shouldn't be. My own be say, me qualify. Where? I go school where? I spent 25 years for abroad. I get experience. I be politician from the age of 22. I was a councillor. I started politics very early. They know me where. I dey popular. I also get good name. You at least if 5 people there, you ask for Pius Alile, at least 3 or 4 go tell you, a good man, not be bad person. Not be name when they say they spit put. You have some name when they spit. You not go mention and the people go spit. If they don't spit, they go ease.
Yeah.
We all know ourselves. So now be that one. But my advice be say, now man wey go bring votes, now we dey look for. Because governor don't promise 2.4 million, 2.5 million votes.
It be like
Then
they
take
increase them
to 3 million.
3.5.
Now they take bad name, they get vote. Huh? Now they get bad name. That's what we both call perception. It's how they see them with their eyes. Now they take bad name, they get vote. In the heart. When campaign start, now you they know say bad name, they hard to sell. You understand? When campaign start, now you they know. You know, so when campaign ever start, you feel do what you want to do. Make campaign start. Or when I in a campaign logo, you understand? And that is the situation, my brother. And then Nadia, I want to stop him.
Thank you very much, Honorable Pius
God
Alile.
bless you.
Thank you very much, and God will bless you. But the only small advice we will give the party and the governor, we remember say one time the state chairman of the party, Emperor Jared Tenebe, talk and say now 2.5 million votes. Now they want to deliver 2027 to Mr. President. And Mr. Governor can't look in your pocket, he can't look in your stand, he can't see say in don't work for the people. And the area where they not work before, people know they want vote. And now when they don't work for the people, they will come and make they come vote. And to get that vote is not easy. If Mr. Governor sit down with a party where to think of sellable candidate where people love so much from their grassroots, now that 3.5 million vote will come out to. If he carry wrong person, support wrong person, they say that because say they're talking from national, they're talking from this or that. We don't know where they're talking from. They go pick wrong people. That 3.5 million votes, governor go struggle to get 600, it go dey hard. So may they sit down with the party, may they come together, may they really look at, may they go their area, their constituency, their local government, their communities. May they go ask questions about who they contest. Are this person be a popular so? Because where would they go so you get as it be? Because if your party not popular and the person where they contest not popular, if you wreck to get millions of votes, it go hard. So we they wonder how you go take get him. But we believe say the man, he believed in the strength of work we need to do. And they believe say some areas there will be say people don't they drive motor because of the katakata and the yeye roads where the area. And the dog open those areas. And those people they clap as they jubilate. Say anywhere you go, we go follow you. So now there they make and use hand in actually say the 3.5 million votes in go get him. If also he carry those way water, way popular for him party to contest to go anywhere. May they not put greed. May they not put put body. May they not put selfishness. May they do unreal. May their party increase their vote. May people vote for them. For at this level, we say make we slow down because Honorable Pius Alile and a person will be say if you give them 3 hours today, will not come for this studio. And a person will be talk and if they talk, they go directly to waiting. They talk. You know they talk go. You know, they delay talk and they do well for people to understand. My name still remain the articulate patriot to all of you know for TMCTV podcast and radio. And we get some Ogbonge people will be say they did the back end where they do the magic for waiting where they do things. A cut out Ojezele and I handle the MCRO where we say the main engineering part of it, all the mixing and all that. Now she did behind. There we get Munirat. That one to agree, but they give back up to what they do there. Then we get Courage. The man with behind the 3 cameras where we say he did for this studio today to make sure say the lighting everything for here for the studio. He did get it by bam. And we can't get another Bonga person where we say na Bini lady where we say now one of our reporter and presenter for the studio and then na Adesuwa. Popular known as Ade, she did get it for this matter since. And we say we could thank everybody when it wait, listen, watch us for 45 minutes. And we end today on, and tomorrow we go bring one Ogbonge person for environmental sanitation. We be say now the head of waste management board in go day here by 10 o'clock to really talk to our Edo people how Mr. Governor they work out for dirty matter, how they clean the state, how the state they better. Our environmental on Saturday go take get head, how they take work out for all these things. Make sure not forget say as we see them now, so we they talk them. We not they take blame. We go return back to our main radio. Make we begin the knack the give una. Waiting they happen for the radio and waiting everybody they understand. Thank you and God bless you.
You fit get Ogbonge updates on top politics, health, agriculture, sports, abi na entertainment with just one click for our YouTube channel on top TMCTV. TMCTV, purely PJ. You fit get ogbonge updates on top politics, health, agriculture, sports, abi na entertainment with just one click for our YouTube channel on top TMCTV. TMCTV, purely PJ.